Hi, my name is Isaac and I'm from Kiosk. Today I'm going to show you how to take a Datapine dashboard and publish it onto your Kiosk content management system so that you can publish alongside other cool content you want to share with your office. So we're going to start by choosing the dashboard we want to share, and then we're just going to grab a shareable link that we can take over to Kiosk. So we're going to come over here. We're going to create a new show, add a new slide. We're going to choose the Any Website option. And with this option, we can just paste any URL that we have here and choose the duration that we want it to show on screen. And in a second here, we will have our dashboard ready to go alongside other cool content. I hope this has been a helpful video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.